whatever you do to one side, you've got to do to the other side for balance. This is cut right. If you can see the grain on the plywood is running up and down, which means I'm going to lay the grain of the veneer this way. Now that's the right way to do it when you're using plywood. If I was to run that, which I was thinking of doing, which I might do at a later stage, and veneer a piece of solid timber, I would then lay the veneer going along the grain. So if you're going to veneer solid timber, get out of the way. If you're going to veneer solid timber, go with the grain along that way. And if you're going to do it on plywood, make sure it's at 90 degrees to the grain. The other thing is, whatever you do to one side, you've got to do to the other side for balance, or else you'll find the timber or plywood will cup or twist on you. It's just one of those things.